Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. Turn around, Ben. This is Ben. I can't see you very well. Ben and his wife decided to go with the solar. Say hi, Ben.
Hi, how are you guys?
And so we got the 6 panels on the house. We got more on. What do we got here?
14 up there.
How many?
14.
14.
There's 20 panels total.
20 panels. That's amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and guesstimate. Ben's probably not going to have an electric bill from probably April to December. He's on grid. You don't have any batteries. That's something maybe to think about in the future. But they financed him. He didn't want to do the DIY with me, but because it's a lot of hard work and a lot of thinking and imagination. But I admire what he did. Just it's up and you don't have to worry about it, doing it all yourself, and the hard work and the knuckle busting on the wrenches. But what were we looking at? Yeah, he started with a 7% interest rate, and then he rolled it over. What'd you say?
I refinanced it and got 5.7.
5.7 on the interest rate. Truly beautiful. He's looking for a what you call it in the wintertime for your, it's the, what is that, a snow rake, but and it's got a metal blade. But I did see one not too long ago. It's a plastic blade, or maybe even a shop broom with an extended handle. We might DIY that, or we might be looking at Amazon. I know they're on Amazon for a roof rake on your solar panels. But there you have it, folks. It's not inspected yet. The electrical inspector's been hemming and hawing for a week now, but
2 weeks.
2 weeks. But I'm not going to tell you that the power's on or off right now. That's how we do it in the DIY business, because there's a ton of electricity being made here. Why would you let that go to waste? But the inspector will be here someday. All right, we're going to wind this down right here. If you want to make your own electricity, click down below in the links. If you want to learn how to make...
say I could turn it on today.
Oh, cool.
But that hasn't been inspected.
If you want to learn how to make your own hot water for your solar pool system, it's on a link below. How to grow your YouTube channel exponentially faster than most. It wasn't easy to learn all these tips and tricks. But I got all kinds of links below. Go ahead and check out those videos, the playlist, and we'll see you on the flip-flop. Have a nice sunny day.